Just leave your phone in the car. Leave your phone in the car.
I am. I'm putting it down. I'm putting it down.
Step out.
You don't got anything on you that's going to stick, smoke, or anything like that?
No.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
Where are your keys to the car?
I don't know. I can't find them.
You grab a phone, Denny? Purse.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Hannah Freeman.
All right, Miss Freeman. Just so you know, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court. You have the right to consult an attorney and have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, can I call my attorney?
Once we get back. I don't have any questions for you. Step back over here to my car.
Can I please call my parents?
Just step over here to my car.
Miss, where's your ID?
I don't know. I can't find it.
Ma'am, stop. Right here. See this flashing red light?
Yeah.
That's the camera that's recording. Do you have anything on you that's
No,
sharp?
I don't. Can I please call my dad?
Yep. Give us a second. You're coming
Can I
back to our
please call
jail.
my dad?
Once we get back to our jail,
Can I please call my dad?
Not right now.
He's the chief at Bridgeville, and I
Yes,
just...
we know who he is.
I don't want to make this a big deal.
Well, if you weren't up here, it wouldn't be a big
He
deal.
invited me over here.
back my hand, back my hand. All right, step back over here, back to my car, please.
He invited me over here.
All right, you have little wrists. Do me a favor. Do not slip all of these stuff, okay?
Can you please call my dad?
Once we get back to our jail. Can you go to the other side and hand me this as well?
Can you call him?
No, we won't be calling him. You can when you get back to the jail. Come talk to me. So what's going on? Did you invite her here?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah, she,
Are you sure you didn't invite her here?
yes, I never invited
Okay.
her to anything.
Because she said that you invited her here.
Yeah, I know, she probably would have. She actually, yesterday followed me to my apartment, stole stuff out of my car,
Yeah.
medications that I need, my car keys, which I was finally able to get back from her, a laptop, and my wallet, and she has run up a bunch of charges on one of my credit cards now.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, and then she, because I did date her back in April we probably ended it. She kind of knew passwords to like my accounts and stuff.
Where did
She's been
where,
messing with my accounts.
where did she rack up the charges at?
It was all from Amazon.
Oh. Okay. Well, you never. What time did you go to bed last night? Because they came for you to sign the complaints, and you
Yeah.
never answered the door.
Yeah, so I was probably asleep. I mean, I get up at 4 usually.
Oh, okay.
And he did say an hour, and I tried to wait like an hour and a half, and I must
Yeah, he said he was a little late. They got a little busy.
Yeah, so I was gonna come up, and I would taught all day.
Right.
So I was gonna come up right after this because I hear I need to sign something.
Yeah, they need to be signed because she's in custody.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's been going on for a while, and I've tried to not make it a big deal because even today the school resource officer took me out of class and stuff, and so I didn't want any of that stuff to happen. But it's just she won't stop. So
Okay.
nothing else I can do at this point.
All right. So was she in your car again today?
Yeah, was she not right now?
No.
Okay, yeah, she.
Don't you lock your doors?
I'm telling you, I open it for a second, and she sprints in there and hops in. And
You know she's here, or you don't even know she's here when this all happens?
what is the a lot of times? So a lot of times, I'll be just driving down the street, and randomly, like, I don't know where she is, she'll just pull out, and now she's behind me all of a sudden. So I saw her following me in, but had to run back out there, grab a bunch of stuff out of my car, my clipboard to write on, change of clothes, and I'm trying to, because I know what she's going to do, I'm trying to get to my keys to lock it quick enough, and she jumps in.
Driver's side or passenger side?
Driver's side.
She was in
Her
she got a
car.
red SUV?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was in her car in the driver's seat when we pulled up.
And she showed up to a practice one time, but yeah, she constantly showed up to these games. A lot of times I'd look up in the stands and see her. I had no idea.
And when did you guys break up? Or stop dating or whatever?
It'd probably be April.
So April?
Yeah.
And it's been going on this long, or is it random?
I would say it's progressively getting worse and worse, but it's kind of been going on the whole time, yeah.
Okay. Well, what time's your game?
I might. So it's at 5:45. I might have to do the scorebook at 4:45, or maybe.
Why don't
I
you
can
go
get
to the
someone else
station and sign those complaints now?
Yeah, I can get someone else to do it.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, he can do it. I don't know who he is.
The charges filed against Hannah Freeman. Hannah Freeman was initially charged with 5 serious felonies that could have sent her to prison for years. Felony stalking for the 33 visits to David's workplace and following him home nightly for months. Burglary for unlawfully entering David's vehicle with intent to commit theft. Aggravated theft, 2 counts, for stealing laptops, wallet, car keys, and prescription medications worth over $1,000. Identity fraud for using David's credit card information to make unauthorized Amazon purchases. Drug theft specifically for stealing David's prescription medications. Each of these felony charges carried potential prison time, with stalking alone punishable by up to 5 years in Ohio. However, by June 2025, through plea negotiations, Hannah's 5 felonies were mysteriously reduced to just 3 misdemeanors. Disorderly conduct, a minor charge typically used for public disturbances. Obstructing official business for interfering with police investigation. Possessing criminal tools for having items used to commit crimes. What Hannah could have faced: up to 15 years in prison for multiple felonies. What Hannah actually received: 7 days in county jail, less time than most people spend on vacation. Let that sink in. 33 stalking visits, months of harassment, burglary, theft, identity fraud, and drug theft resulted in exactly 1 week behind bars. The remaining sentence was 18 months of probation, house arrest with work release, and mandatory mental health counseling. Punishments that allowed her to maintain her freedom while serving what amounts to a timeout. This dramatic sentence disparity perfectly illustrates how privilege, gender, and legal maneuvering can transform what should have been years in prison into a 7-day inconvenience.